Dear student, hello everyone. Welcome to the computer-aided manufacturing class. Today, we will discuss the creation of the basic NX turning environment. First, let's learn how to create a turning machining coordinate system. First, click Machining to enter the machining environment. Select CAM General in the CAM session configuration, and select Turning in the CAM settings to be created to enter the turning machining environment. Then, select Process Navigator in the Resource Bar option and click Geometry View in the Toolbar option. Finally, double-click MCS spindle in the Process Navigator. Click Specify MCS. Click Specify Orientation. And finally click OK to complete the creation of the turning coordinate system. Next, let's learn how to create turning tools. First, click the Create Tool button to create various tools respectively. First, create the left-hand outer circle turning tool. Select the OD80L tool and rename it to OD35 0.81. Change the ISO blade shape to rhombus 35. The tip radius is 0.8. The direction angle is 5, and the blade length is 15. Secondly, create the face grooving tool. Select the face groove L tool and rename it to Face Groove L1. Change the ISO blade shape to standard. The tip radius is 0.2. The direction angle is 0, and the blade length is 12. Then, the outer circle finishing turning tool. Select the OD55L tool and rename it to OD55 0.41. Furthermore, learn to create a drilling tool. Select the Drilling tool and rename it to Drilling Tool 14. Further, learn to create the inner hole finishing turning tool. Select ID55L and rename it to ID55 0.21. Then, learn to create the inner thread tool. Select ID thread L and rename it to ID thread L1. Finally, learn to create the inner grooving tool. Select ID groove L and rename it to ID groove L1. Then, let's learn how to create a turning geometry. First, open the model file. Enter the turning machining environment and select Geometry View. Create a coordinate system, and the specific operation is as learned before. Then, double-click Workpiece in the Process Navigator. To enter the workpiece, click Specify Part to select the part to be machined. Double-click Turning Workpiece in the Process Navigator. To set the turning workpiece and specify the blank boundary, click Create Process. Select Turning for the type. Select the precise subtype. Click OK to enter the process operation interface. Click Cutting Area on the process operation interface for editing and select the cutting boundary. Select the cutting method in the cutting strategy and modify the cutting depth. Click Non-Cutting Movement in More. Select Approach in the Non-Cutting Movement interface. Select Direct. Click Specify Point. To input the point and set the coordinates, select Leave in non-cutting movement. Select the motion type in Leaf. Click Specify Point to input the point and set the coordinates. Click Feed Rate and Speed in More. In the Feed Rate and Speed interface, select RPM in the output mode of spindle speed. Check spindle speed and fill in the speed value. Fill in the feed rate, and finally complete the creation of the turning process. In this class, we have understood 1. Creating a turning machining coordinate system. 2. Creating turning tools. 3. Creating a turning geometry. 4. Creating a turning process.